The best thing is to use your eyes. Just use your eyes. And you do like this. 3. Let's try. It's a bit difficult with the eyes. let's try. So with the eyes you do like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The last one I did it without even realizing. So one more time, the SOS message. When you send the SOS message, it's the middle of the night. I'm looking at the screen now, and I blink 3 times short. It's a bit hard to do the long ones. Yeah, this is it. Look here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. But this is it's a bit too obvious. So let's do it a bit more inconspicuous. I think. I don't know what it means. Google search. Inconspicuous meaning. Dictionary. Not clearly visible. Yeah. So you would be inconspicuously sending the message like I'm doing now already, in case you noticed. Okay, the first one was okay, the second one, yeah, okay, I did it once. I can do it again. Listen, look. Let's start from the beginning. The Morse code. That was a bit of a short one, the last one. Okay, it's a bit difficult to make the long ones. Yeah, that's the way. That's it. I mean, if you have to do the Morse code, be very careful when you do it. If someone is near you, be inconspicuous. This is the way, inconspicuous. Hopefully you don't really need to do it. I don't really need to do it now, so don't write in the comments like this guy is blinking too much. I think he means it. I don't mean it. Yeah. The SOS message, you can use it when you send the message with a mirror even. You can use a mirror like this to make someone far away notice you. If you need to notice, if someone should notice you, you angle the mirror using the sunlight to put this reflection in their eyes, basically.